Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Hyper-V or WSL2 and install Docker Desktop. Once done, run the installer and accept required features. Make sure to reboot when prompted. You choose WSL2 on Home or Hyper-V on Pro. This matters because Docker uses a lightweight VM. After reboot, launch Docker Desktop and allow it to initialize. You will see the whale icon. Wait until it says Docker is running before proceeding, so future commands work correctly. You now verify and run containers. Open PowerShell or your WSL shell and run Docker version to confirm connectivity with the Docker engine. Once verified, pull an image like Nginx or Hello World, pulling caches layers and speeds repeat runs. After pulling, run a container with Docker run dp80, 80 name web Nginx to map ports and detach. Make sure to inspect logs with Docker logs and view running containers with Docker PS. This sequence shows why mapping ports and names matters for access and management. You finish by cleaning up and handling common issues. Stop and remove containers with Docker Stop and Docker RM to free ports and disk space, and use Docker Desktop to adjust CPU/memory if containers are slow. For multi-container apps, place services in a Docker Compose. Iml and run Docker Compose upd. This simplifies dependencies and networking. If something breaks, check WSL integration settings and restart Docker Desktop. Often a quick restart or toggling WSL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.